Here I have CUBOT tablet Tab 10, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch to the front camera. So now let's take one photo with this feature enabled, just for an example. And now to disable it, you tap on the gear icon to access settings. And here you have to find an option, mirror reflection. You just disable it, and now, wow. So as you can see, yeah, these photos are mirrored. On this one we have camera on the left side, and on this one on the right side. That's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.